First find point on x-axis, then find point on y-axis. If equal to is there, draw a continuous line. If it is very clear that when you multiply minus on both sides, the relation changes. And shade. So to shade above or below. So how to decide whether to shade above or below? I should go away from 0. From the line, go away from 0 means go shade below. Shade below. Don't shade towards origin. Shade away from origin. That's it. Greater than or equal to is there. Greater than or equal to, because equal to is there, so I should draw a line joining this. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class I taught you word problems of inequalities. Today we'll go ahead with exercise 6.2. so we have done exercise 6.1. Now I'll go ahead with what? 6.2. Solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. Means they are expecting you to draw or represent it in graph form. Two-dimension means x-axis and y-axis. So now first we'll solve it. They give x plus y less than 5. So solving this is easy. There are two variables. Whether they give less than or greater than, I'll teach you a simple technique. First, take it is equal to and construct a line. So what we do is, we'll take is equal to and we'll construct a line. So now, so x plus y is equal to 5 I'll take x is equal to 0. When I take x value 0, I'll get y is equal to 5. That is 0 plus 5, y is 5. You got 1 point on line. So when x is 0, y is 5. So I'll take point A. Point A is always point, we'll write it as x comma y. X we took 0, y you got 5. So x 0 means it's a point on x-axis. That's why first I started with coordinate geometry. So x value 0 is there, it's a point on what axis? Y-axis. And point is always written in order pair. Point is always written in what? Order pair. So we wrote it in order pair and we got 0 comma 5. And this is a point on y-axis. X value 0 means it's a point on y-axis. So now let me draw the two-dimension plane. This is y-axis. Plane is divided into 4 equal parts. Y-axis and what? X-axis. And all of you know this is point origin. And 1 point I got 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 is a point on what axis? Y-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5, 1 centimeter is equal to 1. So A is a point. What is A? 0 comma 5. 1 point I got. And now assume x0 is done. So we have x plus y is equal to 5. I'll put y is equal to 0. When y is 0, what is x value? X plus 0 is 5 or x is 5. So when y is 0, x is 5. So you got another point. What is another point? Point is always x comma y, and x is 5 and y is 0. 5 comma 0. Other point is 5 comma 0. So if x value is present and y value is 0, if point is in the form x comma 0, it is point on x axis. So 5 comma 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 is point B. B is what? 5 comma 0. Dear students, if you want to draw any line, we need 2 points. We got 2 points. 5, one is A, the other one is B. Here I have 1 point, here 1 point. And I have to join the line. See here you can see strictly less than 5. So given they gave x plus 5 strictly less than 5. Strictly less than means not including 5. So that's why I should draw shaded line. I should draw what line? Shaded line. So dotted line like this. I should not write, see, I should not draw a line like this. I should draw a line which is shaded, dotted line, because it is strictly less than. When we have strictly less than or strictly greater than, I should draw a dotted line. I have drawn it. So now, then I should shade. So which region is solution region? Strictly less than they told. Less than means go down. Or how to check, how to shade? So for the line I have two sides. One is this side and one is this side. Where to shade? So where to shade is simple. So first x plus y is strictly less than 5, put this point. What is this point, my dear student? 0, 0. All of you know x-axis and y-axis intersects at origin 0, 0. Now in the place of x and y, I'll put 0, 0. 0 plus 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. Is it true or not? Yes, it is true. If you get true, go towards 0. Means shading should be towards 0. Shading goes like this. And the line may continue to any extent, and shading goes like this. So this is the graphical solution. I hope all of you understood. So they gave a line, they gave an inequality in 2 dimensions, they gave two variables, they gave x plus y is less than 5, x plus y less than 5, strictly less than 5 they told. So put y0, you'll get point on x-axis, put x0, you'll get point on y-axis. So x plus y strictly less than 5, or first I'll take x plus y is equal to 5. In the place of x I'll put 0, I'll get y value. In the place of y I'll put 0, I'll get x value. Then I got 2 points, put the 2 points and draw a shaded line and shade it. And to shade, put origin in the inequality. In the place of x and y, put 0, 0. If you get true, go towards origin. This is origin, shade towards origin. If you get false, shade away from origin. So now I got true. So 0, 0, when I substituted, 0 less than 5 is true. So I'll shade towards the origin, shade down. So that's it. So now we'll continue with the second problem. So 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So take 2x plus y is equal to 6. And as usual, first find point on y-axis, then find point on x-axis. So put y equal to 0, you'll get point on x-axis. Put x equal to 0, you'll get point on y-axis. So first I'll take x is equal to 0. So when x is 0, 2 into 0 plus y equal to 6, or y equal to 6. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus y. When x is 0, y is 6. So we got a point. I call this point as a. A is what? X comma y. Always point is written as x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. You got a. So now similarly find y. So put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, so 2x plus y is equal to 6. In that, if you put y 0, 2x plus 0 is equal to 6. Or 2x is equal to 6, or x is what? 6 by 2, x is 3. And you got another point. What is another point? B, x comma y. What is x value you got? X value is 3 and y value is 0. This is point on x-axis. So they want you to represent it graphically in 2 dimensions. So we'll draw 2 dimensions. That is, one is y-axis, the other one is x-axis. X-axis, and this is y-axis, and this is origin, point of intersection. Now coming to this, one point A is 0, 6. 0, 6 on y-axis at 6. We have A 0, 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B 3, 0. B is a point 3, 0. So on on x-axis 1, 2, 3 at 3. So B is a point 3, 0. So now here you can see greater than or equal to is there. Greater than or equal to, because equal to is there, so I should draw a line joining this. See, in my last problem, if you see, join a line, take a scale and perfectly you draw it. So in my last problem, I have drawn a line which is shaded line. The line ee tara ittu, because it is strictly less than. We don't have less than or equal to, we have less than. That's why you should draw a dotted line. Now here it is strictly greater than, that's why you should draw a thick line, and you can extend the line also. You can extend the line also. So this line you can extend. So to draw any line, we need minimum 2 points. We got 2 points and you can draw the line. This is the line. Take a scale and stretch the line. Now I need to shade. Whether to shade above or below, we should decide. For this line, we have 2 sets, below and above. So I'll take origin, I'll put in the equation. So what is the equation? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. I'll put origin. Origin means what? 0, 0. In the place of x and y, put 0, 0. 2 zeros are 0 and 0 greater than or equal to 6. 0 greater than 6. 0 greater than 6. Is it true? You know 0 is less than 6. So it is false. You got false. means origin does not lie in the region, so I should not shade down, so I should shade away from origin. This is towards origin for the line. If I take this is the line, this is origin, so I should not go towards this, I should go away from this, so shading is above. So shade the above. This is the solution region. This is the solution region. Shade above. I hope all of you understood this. First find point on x-axis, then find point on y-axis. If equal to is there, draw a continuous line. If strictly less than or strictly greater than is there, then you should draw a dotted line. Then shading, put origin in the line. If it is true, go towards origin. If it is false, go away from origin. When I put 0, 0 in the place of x, I got a false statement. Because it is false, this is not in our region. So from the line, don't go towards this, go away. Generally, greater means shade above, lesser means shade below. But this is a real method. Next, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So I'll take first equal to 3x plus 4y equal to 12 I'll take. And when x is 0, if I put x 0, 3 zeros are 0, 4y is equal to 12, and you'll get y. Y value is exactly 12 divided by 4, y becomes 3. You got a point A. A is x comma y, x is 0 and y is 3. This is point on what axis? Y axis. And I'll assume y 0. When I put y 0, this will become 0. 3x is equal to, I'll get 12, and I'll get x is equal to 4. So I got point B. B is what? X comma y, and x is 4 and y is 0. So now you got 1 point on x axis, 1 point on y axis. So now we need minimum 2 points to draw a line. We got it. So now in 2 dimension, that is, one will take x axis, take a scale and plot it origin, and this is y axis. On x axis we have 4 comma 0. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1. If I take 3, 4. So on x axis I have point B, that is 4 comma 0, and on y axis I have a point called 0 comma 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So on y axis I am having a point A. A is what? 0 comma 3. Now I need to draw a line between AB. Now stretch a line between AB. Let me draw a line between A and B. So between A and B, this is A and this is B. So we have to draw a line between A and B. So now we got, this is called as 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now I need to shade. I want to find the solution. Solution means region. So when you tell 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12, so equal to 12 I have drawn. Less than or equal to, less than means generally shade below. So shading goes down. So this is the solution region. Y below, if you put origin, it will become true. This is origin, all of you know. So what is the given question? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. In the place of xy, put 0, 0. Origin, that is O. So then it will become 3 zeros are, 4 zeros are less than 12. And 0 less than 12. 0 is less than 12 is true. Yes, 0 is less than 12. So I should go towards this 0 origin. So I should shade down. So this is my solution region. I hope all of you understood how to plot the graph. X-axis, y-axis, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I took because the numbers are in 1, 2, 3, 4. And first draw the line. To draw the line, minimum 2 points you need. 1 point on x-axis, 1 point on y-axis. To get a point on y-axis, you put x0. To get a point on x-axis, put y0. You'll get 2 points. Put the point. Stretch a line between those 2 points. To draw any line segment, minimum 2 points you need. So we got the 2 points. Stretch the line and shade. So to shade above or below. So how to decide whether to shade above or below? Put origin in the LHS. And we'll get an equation. Now I got 0 less than 12. It is true. Because it is true, my origin lies in the region. So I should go towards what? Origin. If I get false, then I should go above. Next. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Please observe this. They gave y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. My dear students, observe this carefully. Here variables, okay, y is here, x is there. So rearrange. I'll bring this to LHS. Can I write y minus 2x is greater than or equal to, transfer 8 to that side, it will become minus 8. And I told you, x always try to make x positive, multiply minus on both sides. multiply minus on both sides. It is very clear that when you multiply minus on both sides, the relation changes. So when I multiply minus on both sides, this will become minus y, this will become plus 2x, and relation greater becomes less than or equal to minus 8 becomes plus 8. Now minus y plus 2x, or I can say this as 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. Now as usual, when x is 0, minus y, I'll take 2x minus y is equal to 8 and I'll draw. When x is 0, minus y is 8 or y is minus 8. So one of the point A is 0 comma minus 8, and the other point you need, and put y is equal to 0. If I put y 0, 2x is 8 or x I'll get 4. So B is what? X comma y, 4 comma 0. So now you got A and B. So draw a line. So we'll take coordinate system. So this is y axis and this is what? X axis. And this is x dash and y dash represents what? X axis and y axis. So now we need 0 comma minus 8. 0 comma minus 8 is a point on y axis and it is here. A is here, 0 comma minus 8. And B is 4 0. So 1 2 3 4 4 0, 4 comma 0 is B is 4 comma 0, point on x axis. Now stretch a line between these two. So now you got, and here they told less than or equal. So here I converted this to this. So I have equal to, because I have equal to sign, so line should be what? Thick line. So between A and B, stretch a line segment. So suppose this is A and this is B. Between A and B, stretch a line segment. Now I need to shade. Take a scale and draw a line perfectly. I need to shade. How to shade? So now here shading above or below. Again decision is simple. Here I have origin. Put origin in the equation. So what is the equation, my dear students? We have 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. Put origin. So 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 8. 0 less than 8 is true. Means origin lies. Here is origin. So when I get true, I should go towards origin. From this line, go towards origin. You can see origin is, so I have to shade towards origin. Origin is above this line. So solution is here. This is the solution region, including this line. So between A, B, and this is the solution. You should not go down. So I should shade towards origin, means above, like this. So shade above from the line, shade above. From the line, shade what? Above. This is your solution region. This is your solution region. Next, see here you can observe quotient of y became negative. Whether it is negative or positive, simple logic is in the place of x and y put 0 0. You will get a statement. If that is true, go towards origin. If it is false, go away from origin. That's it. Next, x minus y less than or equal to 2. X minus y less than or equal to 2. So I'll take x minus y equal to 2. I'll take x is equal to 0. I'll get minus y is equal to 2, or I'll get y is equal to minus 2. So now A is x comma y. What is x? 0 comma minus 2. And I'll put y equal to 0. So I'll get x is equal to 0. So B is what? X comma y, 2 comma 0. I got A, B. So now I'll draw the line segment. So I'll take y axis, then I have x axis, and I have origin. And what is A? 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 is a point on negative y axis. You know this is minus 1, this is minus 2. This is 0 comma minus 2. This is point A. And you need point B. Point B is 2 0. 2 0 means on x axis at 2. So this is 2 0. B is 2 0. So now you got the line. So 2 comma 0. Sorry. So stretch a line between these two. And equal to is there. So because I have equal to, so I'll draw a line between these two. So this is the line. And I have to draw a thick line because equal to sign is there. And further, I have to check whether how to shade. In order to shade, I'll take the inequality. What is the inequality? X minus y less than or equal to 2. I'll put origin. What is origin, my dear student? 0 comma 0. In the place of x and y, put 0 0. 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 less than 2. Is it true? Yes, 0 is less than 2. So therefore, this 0 is in our region, so I should go from here towards 0. If I get false, I should go down. I am getting true, so here is 0, so my direction is towards 0. So that's why the shading is above. So this is the solution region. I hope all of you understood this. So you can shade like this. Then 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y greater than 2x minus 3y greater than 2. Same method, put x 0, will get y, put y 0, will get x, and shade it. So when I put x 0, so minus 3y is equal to, first I should take equal to draw a line, I'll take equal to, but equal to is not there, so I should take dotted line, is equal to 2, or y is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is 0. If I put 20, 666 it recurs, and approximately here. Then put y 0, so I'll always take, when it is recurring, I'll take x comma 0 comma minus 2 by 3 only, and put y 0. If I put y 0, I'll get 2x is equal to 2, or x is 1, so I'll get b as 1 comma 0. So now let me draw the line segment. So this is y axis, drop two perpendicular lines on your graph sheet, and this is origin, and on x axis we have 1 comma 0, so this is 1 comma 0, this point B. On y axis we have x and y axis minus 2 by 3. It is, if this is minus 1, here we'll have a very small minus 0 comma minus 2 by 3. So now the line will be like this, and shading, I should shade. So again origin, if I put origin 2x minus, and the line, I cannot draw line like that because strictly less than quotiere. So I can't draw line like this because the line, they told, see in the problem they gave strictly greater than. Strictly greater than means I should get a dotted line. This is the line, and I should shade towards or away from origin. I have to decide to shade. So first I'll take 2x minus 3y greater than 2. I'll put origin 0 minus 0 greater than 2, 0 greater than 2. 0 greater than 2 is false. 0 is less than 2, but I am getting this, so it is false. So I should not go, 0 is this side of the line, I should not go towards 0, I should go away from 0. From the line, go away from 0 means go shade below. Shade below, don't shade towards origin, shade away from origin, that's it. Next we have minus 3x plus 2y, minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Always try to make x positive. I'll multiply minus on both sides. If I multiply minus on both sides, this will become positive, this will become negative, greater becomes lesser, and minus becomes 6. I multiplied minus on both sides. When you multiply minus on both sides, relation changes. That is important. Here it was greater than or equal to. When you multiply minus on both sides, greater becomes lesser. Now as usual, when x is 0, directly y will become minus 3. When y is 0, x will become 2. So now you got 2 points. One point A 0 minus 3, one point B 2 0. So plot them on the graph. So plot them on the graph. This is y axis, all of you know, and this is x axis, and this is origin, and y value is negative, so you know this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 goes like this on y axis. X axis we have 2, 1, 2. So one point is this, that is A 0 comma minus 3. The other one is B is 2 comma 0, and we need to draw a line, and equal to sign is there, so I should draw a thick line. I should draw what? A thick line, not a dotted line, because strictly greater they have not given strictly, so I will get less than here. So this is the line joining the 2 points. So, and now I need to shade. So first put origin to decide. 3x minus 2y less than or equal to 6. I'll put origin, so 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 0. 6. 0 is less than 6. You know 0 is less than 6 is true. So means my 0 is included. So from the line I should go towards what? Origin. So from the line go towards origin. The solution is above the line, means the solution is towards the origin. This is origin. Why? Because when I substituted origin in the inequality, I am getting true. If you get true, you should put 0 or shade towards origin. Similarly, we have 3y minus 5x less than 30, and y minus, okay, so this is also similar. 3y minus 5x less than 30, you can draw it and solve. And we have y strictly less than -2. I'll solve this. This is a little new. Y is strictly less than -2. I'll take y is equal to -2. See, my dear students, y is equal to constant is a line parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to constant is what? Line parallel to x-axis. So remember, so y is equal to -2 we got. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, and y -2. So y -2, this is -1, this is -2. Only we have y -2, we don't have x. So draw a line parallel to x-axis at y. Y -2, this is the line. And strictly less than they told. So when I'm drawing line, I should not draw. So before I go to this, y is equal to constant is a line parallel to x-axis. Make a note of it. These are all important for you to learn linear programming in second year PUC or 12th standard. So y is equal to x, k is a line parallel to what axis? Parallel to x-axis. And see how to draw. So on y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Suppose this is k. At k you draw a line parallel. That's it. And similarly, x is equal to k. X is equal to k is a line parallel to y-axis. Vice versa. Means on x-axis if you have k here, you draw a line. That's it. So now this problem, y we should take equal to and we should solve. Okay, let me go ahead with the problem. So I have y less than strictly less than -2. If you want to draw a line, I should take is equal to y is equal to -2. I'll take. You know how to write y is equal to -2? Simple. Y is equal to constant. Y is equal to -2 means on y-axis. On y-axis, search for -2. On y-axis, this is 1, 2. This is -1. This is -2. On y-axis at -2, I should draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. I should draw a line, and it is strictly less than. Given question, strictly less than. We don't have equal to, so I should draw a dotted line. So, or I should. This is the line. Y is equal to -2, and strictly less than. Less than means shade below. Less than means go down. So this is the solution region. Why dotted line? Because it is strictly less than. Next, x greater than -3. So first I'll draw x is equal to -3. X is equal to -3 means on x-axis find -3. You know this horizontal line is x-axis. This is origin. 1, -1, -2, -3. On x-axis this is -3. At this I should draw a line parallel to y-axis. On x is equal to -3 means line parallel to, and there is no is equal to, that was strictly greater than, so I should draw a dotted line. Dotted line I should draw at -3. So this is what? X is equal to -3. And they told greater. Greater means shade towards right. So greater means shade right, lesser means shade left. Greater values goes towards right. That's it. Now in today's class I have completed 6.2 where we had only one inequality. So they'll give more than one inequality. Next exercise 6.3, that we'll be discussing in my next session. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.